Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make a 3-tuck tag, but first let's have a shout out to Lola Gamma, Dina Bina, Hilda, Leanne, R. Dexter, Mags, Nancy, Emma, Diana, Tammy, and Colleen. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. All right, so what we're going to need 4 circles, 2 out of one style and 2 out of another. And I actually have this punch here. It's a clear punch tag. I understand it's out of circulation now. I bought it years ago. I actually bought it on sale. If you don't have something like this that you can punch your circles out with, you can get something circular. A small glass, something that's circular, trace around it, and then just cut it out. Very simple there. So your tag will depend on the size of your circle. You're going to want to have about a 1/2 inch on either side of your circle. A smaller circle, you'll need a smaller tag. A bigger circle, you'll need a bigger tag. But these little circles are approximately 2 inches in diameter. And this tag is just shy of 3, and it is 6 inches long. I have inked around the edge with my vintage photo, and I have corner rounded. I did not back it with coffee dyed paper. I just went ahead and inked around the edge. So let's begin. So first, let's start with our heaviest, our darkest color, which is the heavier one, and we're just going to glue it down here at the bottom, and I'm only going to glue just a small, this one actually has lines so you can see where I'm gluing. I'm just gluing this much. It's less than half. Okay, and I'm going to put my glue right on like that. All right, and I'm just going to place it right here, leaving about a 1/2 inch on the bottom. I'm going to have my next one. I'm going to do the exact same thing with my glue, and I'm placing it underneath that tag, just like this. And then I'm going to alternate. I'm going to get my first one, and do I want it like this or do I want it like this? No, I think I want the lace to show. So let's do it this way. And then our last one, and I have inked around the edge of these circles as well. So it's left us with about a little less than an inch on the top, but just enough to be able to put either a circle punch, or I have my long punch. I'm just going to punch out a little area right there, a little long hole for my tie. I have a piece of net, and I'm just going to place it right in here, and I'm going to go ahead and tie my little bow. Hopefully we can get this done quickly. So I'm just tying my little bow here. The bow really sets it off, and I made one with a very thin ribbon and it didn't look as well. So actually, the wider the fabric or your ribbon is, the better your tag will look. It just somehow needs that little fullness on the top. So I'm just going to turn it. There we go. So there we are. There's our bow on the top. So I think these are dry enough. I have a little butterfly here. I'm going to place my butterfly at the bottom. Now I have 3 others made with totally different colored paper, and it has a totally different look, and I'll show you those at the end. I have some pages of a dictionary. I have just ripped them into little pieces, and I have inked around the edge. Now I'm not going to use all of these. I just was making some of these, and so I made myself a little pile so that they would be available to me. Actually, I should have put that butterfly underneath that a little bit. Yeah, that'll look better that way. And I'm just placing these little pieces of dictionary page here and there. I'm not putting them everywhere, just here and there. Maybe one last one at the top. Get it up in there. I'm actually thinking maybe I want that underneath. I'm thinking I might want them all underneath. Yeah, I like that look a little better. There you go. Just like that. Oh, super cute. Now I have some little postcards, and I think these are digitalcollage.com, and we're going to just use them to slip right in to our pockets, just like that. Isn't that a cute little tag? Let me show you this other one that I made. Now this is a blue one, and it has a little birdie down here, and it has the music pages instead of the dictionary, and it has little tickets, and I think these tickets are from My Porch Prints. Okay, it's a different type of little ribbon. That's a slender ribbon, whereas this one is a wider fabric net. So cute, right? Now this one I'm not sure. I think it's a little busy for my liking, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. Music paper. I mixed the blue with the kind of the pink. I think maybe that's what I don't care for. Anyway, I used some little stamps, and the stamps are what I put into the pockets, just to show you different things that you can add into the pockets. And this is just a little piece of fabric, actually. Then I have this one, which I think is very sweet. I like the big white satin bow. And I have the hearts, and these are digitalcollage.com hearts that go into the pockets. Oh, you guys, I think this is an adorable, interactive tag. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.